And give you a Milwaukie tour of my truck. Got my custom ladder here. Got the tool bag, Packout drawers, battery holders, DeWalt and Milwaukie, radio. Over here we got the refrigerant rack, Milwaukie crate, Packout, more drawers. Got the Milwaukie fan, M18. Up here we got more crates. Shout out to my buddy at Crucible Fabrications for making this custom ladder for when I don't have room for the ramp to come all the way out. The ladder also clips onto the truck. Lock there and a pin here. Called BGX heating.